Welcome back. If you're having trouble with Gmail logging you out on your PC after the latest update, you're not alone. Let's go through some easy steps to fix this issue. First, we'll start by clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can help eliminate any data conflicts. Click on the three dots at the top right of your browser, then select Delete Browsing Data. In the new tab, ensure that all options are checked and set the time range to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data to clear it out. Next, let's log out of Gmail and log back in. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture and select Sign Out. After that, sign back in with your email address and password and click Sign In. This refresh can help resolve session issues. If you're still experiencing problems, try restarting your device. It's a simple but effective solution. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning your device back on by pressing the power button. Next, let's check your internet connection. From the notifications area, click on the network icon. Make sure you're connected and that the signal is strong. A weak connection can often lead to being logged out unexpectedly. Finally, if the issue persists, consider using another browser. Sometimes, browser-specific issues can cause problems with Gmail. Try accessing your email from a different browser to see if that resolves the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the problem of Gmail logging you out. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Happy emailing!